If we take something like the student journey, so we've got a bright sixth form student or equivalent from around the world who wants to be a physicist, and they see Cambridge as the place that they want to study that. Fantastic. We love to hear from them. If they went through the web route, if they were lucky at the moment, they would get through to the course information, and then they would be able to find out how they would study here and the intricacies of applying to study at Cambridge. But the truth is, because of our estate, of which we have over 2,000 websites at the moment, when we last tried to map that potential user journey and recording how people had tried to complete a task like that, our walls were just filled with this long user journey map. And there were so many different touch points that a potential student may have to go through in order to get the information they needed. And that was a product of what we were talking about earlier, of that sort of organic estate that has grown up, where different bits of the institution have dealt with their part of that journey as well as they can do in their isolated area or siloed area. But they haven't been able to take a step back and say, look, if we were going to wipe all of this away and start from a user first approach, how would we design the optimal user journey for somebody that wants to apply to study here? By having more centralized approaches, we can start to have better ways of sort of measuring that journey more effectively and incrementally improve it. Hopefully, in our cases, we want to reduce the number of websites we have, reduce the amount of content that we have, so that if people come searching for particular things, they find a more reliable single source of truth that for us is easier to then maintain either at a departmental level or a central level.